Okay guys, I want to do a video today on starting fire with a flint and steel. It's one of my favorite ways to start fire. I love bow drill. I'm working on hand drill. I always use my ferrocerium rod and I always carry a lighter with me, but this is just another way, bushcrafting style way, to start fire to be more traditional. So this is my tinder bag. This is something I made out of some scrap leather laying around, and put a little gear toggle on it to hold the bag shut. Inside, I keep all my fire accessories. I keep everything from fat wood that I collected out of pine, out of my forest here. Some extra pieces of flint. My flint and steel box. I keep a large ferrocerium rod, and that's just for ease. And I keep any tinder. This is a tinder bundle that I've made out of tulip poplar bark, and it is just inner bark. I take the bark off the tree, I process it up, and this is the inner bark. It makes a nice fluffy tinder bundle, bird's nest. So I'll use this 90% of the time just because this is something that's readily available around where I live. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So flint and your steel. You take a piece of char cloth, and I'll go over with you how to make char cloth in another video. But you take your char cloth and you lay it on top of your flint like this. Okay? And you take your steel, get a good grip on it. You want to hold your flint at a 45-degree angle, and you want to strike down with your steel, and that'll throw sparks from this onto the top of the rock, which is going to set a cherry into your char cloth. So see if I can do this. Okay, there we go. Can you see the cherry? So from this point, you take your char cloth and you place that into your tinder bundle, right in the middle. Kind of close it up and give it a nice little easy blow. And there you go. You have fire. So that's it, guys. You know, there's several ways to do this. You can take your striker, you have your box of char cloth, you can hold it over your box, and you can strike down and throw sparks into your box. Light up some char, take out what you need, throw the lid back on, smother out what you don't need, and it's there for you next time. So that's just another way. Maybe I'll do, maybe my next video will be on making char cloth, and it's a simple process. There's not a whole lot involved with it. Anybody can do it. So, but yeah, I appreciate you watching Harris Outdoors. If you guys like what you see, give me a subscribe and hit the bell for more notifications on new videos and stuff. And if you guys have any ideas of something you'd like to see, or want to see me do something on a video that you want to learn something from, hit me in the comments. Don't be afraid to say anything. I'm all for it. I need new ideas, and you know, I love seeing what people like to see, and I'm willing to do it. So give me a shout, and we'll go from there. Appreciate it, guys. Thanks.